Today gave us a little morning sunshine, but that quickly changed as the day progressed. But first, let's take a look at what's happening around us. Now, in the wider Atlantic, we have a frontal system that is extending off the western coast of the United States all the way down through the Bahamas, through Cuba, all the way to Belize. This front is bringing cooler temperatures and rainfall, as shown by that cloud mass you can see in your map. Cuba, for example, recorded temperatures as low as 19 degrees. So this front will remain for the next few days, but is guaranteed to not affect us in the southern Caribbean. Meanwhile, an elongated trough east of the Caribbean is expected to drift westward towards me over the Bahamas and over the next coming days. This trough is likely to bring gusty winds and rainfall to the islands such as Bahamas, Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic, and even Turks and Caicos, just to name a few. The likelihood of it developing into a named system remains extremely low. To put that into context, only 12 named storms have formed in December, the last being in 2013 near the Azores. Meteorologists are confident that this system will not develop further, but we'll keep an eye on it for you. Closer to home, we had that trough, that same elongated trough, bring a mix of sunny and cloudy periods this morning, with conditions becoming progressively wetter as the evening went on. Showers were widespread across the islands, as you can see here, particularly over Trinidad, where isolated thunderstorms were dominant in southern and northern areas. In fact, we can still hear a bit of those showers in studio right now. Tonight, we may get a brief break in the rain as we expect more settled conditions over both islands. You can see we'll have partly cloudy skies with a few showers in Trinidad, but partly cloudy skies and the odd shower over in Tobago. Now let's talk about those temperatures for a bit. Currently, Piaco is at 24 degrees, while Scarborough is at 27 degrees. As the night progresses, it will get down to 22 degrees in Piaco and 24 degrees over in Scarborough. As we take a look at tomorrow's sunrise and sunset, here's a fun fact. The sun doesn't actually rise or set. It's the Earth's rotation that creates that illusion. Good facts. Looking ahead to Friday, Trinidad can expect a bit of repeat weather with a bit of variable cloudiness, a few scattered showers, and the low chance of that isolated thunderstorm. Now we will have a high of 31 degrees. Tobago too will have a high of 31 degrees, but they will have a bit of break with that rainfall. So they can expect a bit of sunny conditions, a slight haze, and a few brief showers throughout the day. Sea conditions will be moderate, with waves reaching up to 2 meters in open waters and 1.5 meters in sheltered areas. Be mindful that those spring tides will be in effect, so you can expect a bit of those low tides to be a bit lower and those high tides to be a bit higher.